So this is basically a ultrasound sensor. You can look at this. It has an ultrasound transmitter and ultrasound receiver. Okay, the basic responsibility of this one is that ray will transmit, it will hit something and come back. Okay, so no matter whether you show it a solid object or fluid object, whatever, it measures the distance and the total time that takes for the ultrasound signal to come back and hit the receiver. So this is basically a pump which runs on 9-volt power supply. Okay, so what we do is we give the connection of this pump to through a battery. This is a 9-volt battery. However, microcontroller cannot directly control 9-volt battery, so we give this connection to a relay. This 9-volt we give input to the relay and relay's output is given to the pump. However, relay is a 12-volt relay. It cannot be driven by 9-volt. So we make a 12-volt power supply. This is a transformer followed by 4 diodes making bridge rectifier, 7812, which is a voltage regulator IC for maintaining 12-volt flat, and for filtering the output voltage we use capacitor, 100 microfarad capacitor. This is given to optocoupler pin number 5, and the optocoupler's pin number 6 output is given to the relay. So whenever microcontroller triggers the optocoupler, under that situation microcontroller's pin is connected with optocoupler's pin number 1. When microcontroller triggers this one, it triggers the relay, pump is on. Okay, now this is Arduino microcontroller. It basically senses 3 things. There is a switch out here. So when you press this switch, microcontroller senses that the switch is on. When the switch is on, water should start coming down. Okay, the pump should be on, and when the water level fills up, so for demonstration we'll take it up to show that the water is filled up. So whenever the fluid is filled up, under that situation it should show that fluid is filled up. There is a LM35 sensor over here, which is the temperature sensor. At the beginning it's going to show you the level, fluid level over here. So when you start, all you need to do is you need to press this switch. So after pressing the switch, after 3 seconds it should start. When it starts, it will keep on showing you the fluid level. Get it up. As you take it up, so your water level fills up. Under that situation, your pump will be closed. Once the pump is closed, you need to switch this off. After switching off, reset the microcontroller. When you reset the microcontroller, it again goes back to your previous level. Again, when you switch is again when you press the switch, after 3 seconds your pump starts, and when water fills up to certain level, it gets closed.